Hey, welcome back to my new video. This is Easy Tutorials, and for those of you who are the first time in this channel, please consider subscribing. Lately, I got a lot of requests from the users of this community to make a tutorial on how to create motion graphics templates in After Effects, and how to use them in Premiere Pro. So, today I decided to show you a simple example of how to do this. Before we start, I'd like to invite you to support me on Patreon. You can also get access to all my premium content. So let's start. For exemplification, in this tutorial we'll be using the brush lower third template, which we've created a couple of days ago. If you want to use the same example as me, you can download the template from the link in the description, or you can create it yourself, watching the brush lower third tutorial. First, I will explain what is a motion graphics template. The motion graphics templates are a file type that can be created in After Effects or Premiere Pro. Motion graphics templates allow a motion designer working in After Effects to encapsulate a complex After Effects project into a single file with easy-to-use controls that can be consumed and customized in Premiere Pro. So, in other words, are files which can be created in After Effects, in our example, and edited in Premiere Pro. In our example, we need to save the lower third composition as a motion graphics template, but all the editable parts are inside the animation composition. We are interested to be able to change inside Premiere Pro the width of the brush shapes, the position of the second one, the main color, and, of course, the first and the second text. Let's see how to do it. Click on Window, and select Essential Graphics from the list, and this will open a new panel. If it's undocked like mine, grab it from here and dock it wherever you want. First, change the master with the composition you want to save as motion graphics template, in our case select lower third. In the brush lower third template we used a controller layer, which means that we can find all the properties that we need to change in a single place. Open the controller options. Click on Effects if it's not opened. Grab this slider and drag it up here. See how simple it is? Change its name here, to be easy to recognize later. If your slider will show a different value as the original one, means that the value is not in its range, so click Edit Range, and change the start and end values. Make them big enough to fit your needs, in my case the end value is 1920. Drag the second property here, and change its name. Do the same with the third one. Drag the color property too, and change its name. As you can see, the template can be controlled from here now. In the final template, we'll have to be able to change the texts too. If you drag your main text here, nothing will happen, because the text itself is not a property. So how do we do it? Open the text options, click on Text, grab the text source, and drag it up here. Change its name to main text. Repeat the process with the second text. Now, all the properties we need are in the Essential Graphics panel. Move to any frame you want, and click here to create a thumbnail for your project, then click on Export Motion Graphics Template. First, you will be asked to save the After Effects project. Then, this window will open. Click here and select a folder where you want to save your file, and give it a name. In my case, I will only let the second box checked. This will alert the persons who will use your template, if any of the plugins you have used are missing from their After Effects. Click OK, and your template is saved. Let's jump to Premiere Pro, in the project you want to use your template. As before in After Effects, we have to open the Essential Graphics panel. So click Windows, and select Essential Graphics from the list. Click on this button, and navigate to the folder where you have saved your template. The file you're looking for will have a .mogrt extension. Select it, and open it. As you can see, the file was imported to the Essential Graphics panel. To use it, you just have to drag it on top of your footage. If you select it, the Edit panel will open, where you will find all the properties that we saved earlier. From here you will be able to customize your elements anytime you want. Change its width, the color, and anything else. Let's create a real example. We'll change the background color to this shade of gray. Change your main text here. Then click Enter to save it. Do the same with the secondary text. Adjust the width of each brush shape, according to your texts. Change the position of the secondary text if you want. Then go to the Effect Controls panel, and change the position of your graphic element if you need, and you are done. From here you can change the size too. If you want to use multiple times your element, just drag it where do you need it, and start customize it again. As you can see, the first one will keep its changes. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial on how to create a motion graphics template in After Effects, and how to use it later in Premiere Pro. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and comment. It would be great to know your opinions on my tutorials. Also, you can make requests for new tutorials, on interesting effects or animations that you would like to learn. See you soon.